What nature does in 4 billion years, they do in 4 days. The result? A large artificial gem, up to 3 times larger than the seed. With this breakthrough, scientists can now consistently make large diamonds. But the real breakthrough that scientists need is yet to come. Gemesis can't grow diamonds in the shapes needed for high-tech use.
We haven't gotten there yet, but we're constantly working on improving the process and making larger and better quality diamonds.
Scientists are trying to create a large diamond with all the properties of a real diamond, but in shapes and sizes not found in nature. From circuit boards to scalpel blades, the uses could be endless. As scientists struggle to perfect the diamond, a clue hurtles toward Earth from an unlikely place. After years of research, scientists discovered how to make gem-sized diamonds.